9 miles an hour. At Homestake Pass, temperature was 45 degrees, wind was northwest, at 6 miles an hour. At Rogers Pass, temperature was 46 degrees, wind was southeast, at 10 miles an hour. At Yak Hill, temperature was 45 degrees, wind was variable, at 1 mile an hour. At Swan Lake, temperature was 53 degrees, wind was variable, at 1 mile an hour. At Essex, temperature was 43 degrees, wind was variable, at 1 mile an hour. At Big Hole Pass, temperature was 43 degrees, wind was northwest, at 12 miles an hour. At Boulder Hill, temperature... This is the National Weather Service office in Missoula. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXL25's public warning system. This is the National Weather Service office in Missoula. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and Ravalli. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Missoula. If visible warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the tonight. Mostly clear until midnight.